good morning, Becky here from Notes from the Sewing Room. Thanks for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you on a little trip. So I thought I'd do a bit of a different video today, and we are heading off on a little family mini break type thing. So I thought I would bring you with me on our little mini break. So we are off to Filey in Yorkshire. So I'm really excited about it. So I've been to Whitby before in Yorkshire, but I have never been to Filey. So I think it's a lovely little seaside town. So that's where we're headed this morning. So we're currently packing up the car, and then we're going to be heading across to the kind of campsite that we're staying on. So I'll hopefully film a little bit of footage of whereabouts we're staying, and then I'll be able to talk you through some of the clothes, the handmade clothes that I've taken with me on our holiday as well. So I hope you enjoy watching today, and I'll see you very soon. By the way, for those of you who are interested in what I'm wearing this morning, you may have seen this before because it's one of my favourite outfits. This is the Adriene blouse, which is made in a viscose jersey from Friday Pattern Company, and I'm also wearing a Tilly in the Buttons olive pinafore, which if I just stand up, maybe I'll be able to see a little bit of. Yeah, it's one of my favourite little dresses, this, to be honest. So I should make another one, and I'm definitely going to make some more of these, particularly the Adriene top kind of hack that I made into a dress recently, which I really like. But yes, see you soon. So here we are at the seaside. We've just walked down to the seafront. It's lovely down here. Unfortunately, the tide's kind of in at the minute, so we can't really build many sandcastles, so we'll have to come back tomorrow. It's a little bit breezy down here, so as you can see, I've got my big winter coat on, but it's still lovely to be down here on the seafront and see the sea and all of that. So yes, I think we'll be bringing our beach chairs and buckets and spades again another day. The house that we're staying in is really nice actually. It's got an upstairs and a downstairs. It's got a really well equipped kitchen, and there's really comfy sofas, which is great for watching TV in the evening when the kids are asleep. And I'm really pleased. It seems like a nice little sort of community feel where it is. There's a nice little leisure centre on site where we've booked some activities to do later over the weekend, so that'll be nice. There's a swimming pool as well, so looking forward to getting stuck in with every kind of activity that there's on offer on this holiday park we're staying on. Bedrooms seem really comfortable as well, so that'll be nice, and it's actually more rooms than we need, to be honest. All of the 2-bedroom places were all taken up, so we ended up booking a 3-bedroom place instead, but that's fine. So there's a twin room and 2 double rooms, and yeah, I think there's an ensuite bathroom in one of the double rooms, and there's also a main bathroom as well, so we're kind of really spoiled for how much space we've got, to be honest, in the house that we've got. But it is really beautiful. There's a few nice doggies staying round about us as well, so I think there's a couple staying opposite us that have got a couple of dogs, and I think there was a Labrador as well staying a couple of doors down, so that's lovely. Our dog Bentley's actually staying with my dad for the weekend when we're away, because that's a little holiday for him too, so he'll enjoy that. But yeah, I shall show you my holiday wardrobe very soon. Hi everyone, day 2 of my holiday, and hot off the sewing machine. Literally before we came away, I finished the hem on this at about 11 o'clock at night. When everyone else was asleep, I thought I've got a few bits to finish in the tumble dryer that I needed to bring on holiday. So I just thought, right, when I'm doing that, I'm going to multitask, and I'm also going to finish the hem on my new dress. So you may recognise this fabric because I've shown it on some of my other videos. It's a Minerva woven viscose fabric. It's really nice. It's got these like flowery bits on. It's got a lovely drape to it. And I have made this into a Tilly in the Buttons Mabel dress. So I've made this one time before and absolutely I've worn it loads. I'm wearing it a lot still over the summer, and yeah, I really like it. So I just thought, why not? Let's make another one. It wasn't my original plan to make the Mabel dress with this fabric, but you know what it's like, you change your mind. I do anyway. So I will put in a picture of what this looks like full length. I've not got my tripod with me here on holiday, so I'm kind of struggling of where to actually put my phone to film these different clips, to be honest. But I just thought I'd show you. You can see the kind of top bits. We've got the little bow here. We've got a little bit of elastic across here, elastic in the shoulder area, and I've gone for the shorter sort of 3/4 length arm, which has got the shirring just around here, and it's got the shirring into the waist. So I'm going to stand up so you can kind of see a little bit of it. I've already taken a bit off the length, but I'm thinking maybe when I get home I might maybe still take a couple of inches off the length. I'm not sure if it's a little bit long. Not sure. I'm going to sort of see how I go. I'm going to wear it today and then see how I feel, basically. So I'm going to stand up and show you. So this is the waist area. So as you can see, we've got the shirring into the waist, and then we've got the lovely swishy skirt. I can't go too far back here because of the bed, but if I hold my leg up, you should be able to see it basically comes down to just underneath my knee at the moment. So yeah, I'm not sure if I just want it like maybe an inch or two shorter, but yeah, we'll see how we go. But I'll still try to keep filming a little clip each day that we're away, so you can see all the various bits and bobs that I've packed in my little case for the next few days. Good morning, day number 2, well full day number 2 should I say. It's actually really our 3rd day of being here in Filey, and we've got a really packed day today actually, because we're just getting ready to go out. So we're going to be doing some tie-dyeing this morning, which is a children's craft workshop. So I'm looking forward to that. And then we should have a break of a couple of hours. So we're going to head down into Filey itself, because they've got a little food festival on. So I'm hoping to get some yummy bits for lunch maybe from down there, or maybe something for tea later. Maybe a cake as well, because that would be nice. I was up 3 times in the night with Alice last night because she was so hungry. So yes, a cake would be nice today. And then after that, later on this afternoon, we've got some children's archery planned. So yeah, lots going on today. But in terms of what am I wearing, this is another handmade outfit, and it's probably one that you've seen before, but it is one of my favourites. As I said earlier in this video, I am struggling for where to actually prop up my phone where we're staying. So that's why I'm kind of crouched down, because my phone's on the window ledge. But yeah, there we are. I just want to film these little clips for you. So this is one of my Sinclair Patterns skater dresses. So you probably know it's a free pattern. I made this one during the So Frugal challenge that was happening on Instagram a few months ago, and it's made out of a cotton jersey that I got from Handmade fabrics. Not sure if the fabric's still in stock, but I think I have also seen it at Pound Fabrics recently. So it's a cotton jersey, and as you can see, it's got this lovely kind of rose print on it. It's really nice, and I'll stand up so you can see it a little bit better. So we've got these kind of poofy sleeves, which are really cute, and it's kind of cinched into the waist, and then we've got a slightly bigger skirt. So yes, that's where I'm at today. I will put in a full picture as well, hopefully, of what the full dress looks like, but I will see you tomorrow. Hi, final day of our holiday today. So day 3, or the full day 3 should I say, and you probably recognise this pattern. This is the Sinclair Patterns skater dress, so it's actually the same as the pattern that I was wearing previously in the video. Apart from this one, it is made from a cotton jersey fabric. You can probably tell that I'm wearing my little swimsuit underneath because we are heading swimming later, and also my little boy is doing what they call a Ready Steady Teddy workshop, which is where you choose their little heart and you stuff all the stuffing inside and things like that. So that's going to be really fun. The food festival was amazing yesterday. I got my cake, so that was really nice, and it's actually on again today, so I'm hoping that we get to go down there again today so we can get some more yummy treats. So I will put in a little picture of what this dress looks like in full, but as this is our final day of our trip hello, then this will be the final clip from me. But thank you so much for joining me on this week's video. I hope you've really enjoyed it. William wants some cereal. But if you have enjoyed it, please do press that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back on my channel really soon. Thanks so much for joining me. See you soon. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye.